Cops uncover new scheme to smuggle contraband into Jamaican jail cells.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police have been clamping down on a number of underground schemes that have been used by persons to smuggle contraband into jail cells. The latest scheme to be uncovered involved persons posing as visitors, using large water bottles to hide communication devices like cellular phones and other contraband items on the way into jail cells. The police said the cell phones have typically been used by prisoners to communicate with other cronies on the outside, including to orchestrate a number of serious crimes that have taken place in and around the corporate area especially. A video which has been making the rounds on social media shows police from a corporate area station removing a phone and batteries from one of these water bottles.
Go on, it go on. It's dark. Watch it. This was found during a search upstairs in cell 2. Personnel, you have to be vigilant. You have to be vigilant. Look at Miss Bramfield doing the surgery now. 2 water bottles joined together. Cell phone and battery found in it. Prisoners are very, very skilled. Very.
I have a bottle of water, man. I'll slice it off. Then put this so I'm going to sing this and put it in
So it's a phone and a battery, Bramfield?
Phone and 2 batteries.
2 batteries, okay. What type of phone is that?
Nokia.
Nokia.
And just drop it down like one skirt. That's it.
Yeah.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.